One of the most profitable niches you'll ever come across. Stick around, guys. Hey, what's up guys, my name is John. Thank you all very much for tuning in. In today's video I'll be giving away one of my favourite niches when it comes to reselling used goods on Amazon FBA. This is my favourite solely because of the return on your investment. You can create a large amount of income when it comes to reselling these specific items. And that niche is, of course, cameras. Cameras, they can create a massive return on your investment if you can source them properly and get them at a good enough price to resell on Amazon. So today I'm going to have a look at the Facebook Marketplace and I'm going to try and find some good profitable cameras. And we'll see just how much money you can actually make from these. But before all that, I just wanted to say thank you all very much for your support. Of course, on my last video I explained the whole situation with my Amazon account being hacked, and I did receive a massive amount of support, so thanks very much guys, I really do appreciate that. But everything is now up and running. The business and the office is all set back to normal again, so it's just time to get back to work. So I'm going to switch over to Facebook now and see what we can find. So I'm now on the Facebook Marketplace and I have just typed in camera into the search bar and it just comes up with a massive amount of cameras. So basically you're just looking to see kind of what ones you can get at a decent price and match them against Amazon. The used ones, unless you can get one new, but generally they're going to be used. This doesn't make much of a difference. You will still get a really good return on your investment even in used condition. So straight away I can see this one here. It is the Canon G10. Now this looks like it might just be the bare body of the camera, but I'm going to click on it and check the listing. Okay, so I've just checked the listing there and it's the Canon G10. It does come with the charger. It doesn't have like the lens or anything like that. It's just basically as you can see on the picture there. So I'm going to check that on Amazon. Okay, so this is the camera on Amazon. Unfortunately, it doesn't have any stats using Helium-10. Now this doesn't mean that it's not selling. It just means that Helium-10 wasn't able to scrape the kind of BSR data for this, which is unfortunate. But if we look at things like the customer reviews, it's got 98. So generally that's a good sign of this being a good seller. Now this one itself doesn't actually have any new listings. This has only got 4 used listings and it's starting from £165. So again, that is very, very good. So we're going to just check that. And you can see here there's only 4. The prime one is starting at £199.99, so let's say £200. That's really good. I will be matching this one because I will be putting mine in at prime. I'll probably knock it down just a little bit. That way you're kind of in competition with the other seller, but it only has 4. So, and it would be there's only the one prime one. Mine will also be prime. So I'm going to go back and check how much I can get for that or what the profit is. Okay, so I'm just going to go down and put the price in and check how much profit I would get for this item. So I'd probably put this in at 180. That way you're a little bit lower than the other prime and the cost of product is 80. So you're looking at a profit margin of £84.95. That is really, really good. But this is the kind of thing I'm speaking about. Like, this is what I mean. Cameras do so well on Amazon. They sell amazingly. Now, of course, we don't have the data here on Helium-10, but what we can look at right here is the BSR, which is 406. So that's a very low BSR for point and shoot digital cameras, which indicates that this is a good seller, okay? And for that kind of profit, I'm fine with leaving that up for a month without it selling. If it sells within a month, which at that kind of profit margin, I expect that it would, then that is definitely worth it. So I'm going to go back to Facebook and see what else we can find. Okay, again, I've just been looking through cameras. Just type in camera into the search, and again, I've come across this one right here. Is the Samsung HD camera. So I'm going to check this listing and I'll get straight back to you. Okay, so this Samsung is the NX1000 and it comes with the flash. I'm not sure if that is separate from the actual camera. Like if you buy this from Amazon and the camera, you just buy the camera as a bare body unit, or if it naturally comes with it. It doesn't say, but I'll check it on Amazon and see how much we can get for this. Okay, so I've found this one on Amazon and it doesn't look as if it actually does come with the flash, so perhaps you can make some extra money with the flash attached to it. But I'm just looking at the bare body unit itself, and this is a Wi-Fi camera. Again, unfortunately, Helium 10 does not have the sales data, the BSR data, which is very unfortunate, but not to be put off. It has got 158 customer reviews. Again, this is a great indication of this being a good selling item. And there's 3 used starting from £145.99. So I'm just going to check these ones. And the first one on Prime is the one at £145 and it is in very good condition, so that's fine. That's what I'll be looking to match. I'll probably just put it at 145 exactly. That way it's a little bit lower, not much, but it just makes it a little bit more appealing. Bear in mind that if you're new to Amazon, you have to understand that these people that are selling these items, if you look at this one, the past 12 months, they've got nearly 3,000 ratings. So as a new seller to Amazon, you haven't got any of these ratings, so you do have to compete a little bit when it comes to price. It doesn't mean that your item won't sell, but if yours is up there and it's matching that exact same price and this one's still here, some people will just decide to go with the one that's got a better reputation as opposed to someone that hasn't got any reputation whatsoever. So you do have to compete a little bit. That way it will bring your sales up. But anyway, I'm going to go back and check the kind of price we can get for this. So as I said, I'll put mine at 145. That way it's a little bit cheaper than the competition and it just makes it a little bit more appealing. So 145 and the cost of product is £70. So your estimated net profit is £62.55. That's really good. Again, that's another great little find and a quick find. I'm still not 100% sure on the flash. I don't think the flash actually comes with it. I've not completely went through the listing, but it doesn't state it on any of the other ones that the flash comes with it. So that may be something else to look into. I can also make some more money with. But anyway, I'm going to go back to Facebook and see what else I can find. So I found this one right here. It is the Fuji S4200 camera, 12 megapixel, and it is £60. Now I almost bypassed this one. I nearly skipped it because I couldn't get any information on this specific one. But then I did check the listing and looked at the pictures, and it turns out that this name is the American version of the name, I believe. The actual camera itself is a Fuji FinePix 5. So I was able to get the details on that, and we'll go straight to Amazon right now and I'll show you the kind of price you can get for that. So this is a Fuji FinePix 5, and yeah, it's got 137 customer reviews. It's got 8 used, only used, no new ones, starting from £250, and I have got a graph here with Helium 10, so you can see that there's sales. Now this is over 30 days, and each dip in that sales rank is a sale. Now you can actually see there's several dips. So I'm going to click on the 7 days here, and we'll see there's a dip right here at the start of the week, another one here, another one here, another one here, again and again. So basically this one has several sales. 8 used starting from £250. Now remember that last one that I seen on Facebook, yeah, that was, they were selling that for £60, and this is in perfect working order. So I'm going to check the ones that's used and see how much they're going for. So this is the used ones here, and bear in mind that I will be matching the Prime one because I'll be sending it into Amazon FBA, and the first Prime one here is £349.99. Wow. And this is in used very good condition. So apparently so is the one that I've sourced. That's apparently in perfect working order, perfect condition. And there's even ones even further down, it's in used acceptable condition for £400. But yeah, I would be matching this. I'd probably just drop the price a slight little bit. That way you're higher than the you're more appealing in the competition, and it just gives you that little bit extra chance to actually get your sale there. So this does sell several times per month, per week actually, and also these are all used ones it's selling. It's not new ones it's selling, it's all used ones it's selling. So I'm going to go back and look at the kind of price we can get for this now. So the cost of product, remember, was £60. So I certainly when we're putting in at £109, I'd be putting that in at £340. That way you're a little bit less in the competition. Cost of product is 60, and yeah, there's the kind of net profit you're looking at from one item, from one camera. I don't care if it takes all month for us to sell. If it sells and makes that kind of profit for one item, then that is definitely worth it. You can see here 158 BSR and digital cameras basically. So that is amazing. That is a great find. That is a golden nugget. So I think I've definitely found more than my target was today. I've got quite a bit of work to do and some people to message, so I'll switch back now and we'll have a little chat. There you have it, guys, my number one niche to making good money, good returns on your investment doing Amazon FBA. I've had a few questions. Some people are asking, is it still worth it? Yes, it's certainly still worth it. You can make amazing money doing this. I wouldn't worry about DVDs and stuff like that, because the truth is there's not a great return on your investment for things like DVDs. Amazon has cracked down on people selling DVDs. I've still not had that issue, but the truth is I don't make a great deal of money from DVDs unless it's brand new box sets. There's not a great return on your investment for these sort of things. Look at the higher returns. It doesn't matter if it's used goods still sell amazing on Amazon. And this is still something that is really untapped because people underestimate this. This is still very unspoken. So right now is the time to get into this. But anyway, guys, that is me for today. Hopefully you gained some value from this video. If you did, please give us a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, please consider subscribing. That way you'll not miss a thing. But anyway, guys, thank you all very much for watching. Take care and I will see you all later. Goodbye.